Most people don't even know that WhatsApp supports proxy servers. In this video, I'll show you how to use WhatsApp proxy settings on Android. First, open WhatsApp. Tap on three dots. Go to Settings. Tap Storage and Data. Then tap Proxy. Now tap Set up Proxy. Here, you need to enter a proxy address. To get a proxy address, open Google and search for WhatsApp proxy server. You will find many available proxy servers online. First, copy and paste the proxy address, then chat port and media port. Then try to save it. If it's not working, go back and it will be connected. And that's it. Your WhatsApp proxy is now set up and working. I hope this helped you. Thanks for watching till the end.